Let's divide 252 by 2. Hey Math Explorers! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Ready to divide 252 by 2? Let's start with the first digit. We're looking at the 2 in the hundreds place. We'll use just this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is exactly 2. Now we subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Easy peasy. Awesome start. You're doing great. We've got a remainder of 0. Let's bring down the next digit. Next up, we have the digit 5 in the tens place. Let's combine it with our remainder. We bring down the 5 to join the 0, making it 5. This is our new number to divide. How many times does 2 go into 5? It goes in 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4. Write that down. Time to subtract. 5 minus 4 leaves us with 1. You're crushing it. Just a little more to go. We have a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the last digit, the 2. Last step, we've got 12 to work with. This is where the magic happens. We combine our remainder 1 with the last digit 2 to make 12. Look at that. How many times does 2 fit into 12? It fits 6 times. Check our work. 6 times 2 is exactly 12. Perfect. Subtract again. 12 minus 12 equals 0. We're done dividing. Woohoo, you solved it. High five. And there are no more digits to bring down. We've successfully divided 252 by 2. We did it! We found out that 252 divided by 2 is 126. Great job, everyone! We learned how to tackle long division step by step. Remember, even big numbers can be divided with a little patience and practice. That's all for today. Keep practicing, and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.